Winter is here and it's time to upgrade your gadget game. From warm heating wrap that lets your hand warm to smokeless fire pit that you can use indoor as well as outdoor, there are plenty of cool winter gadgets to help you make the most of the season. Whether you're hitting the slopes, building a snowman, or just braving the cold, these gadgets will keep you warm, entertained, and connected. So sit back and enjoy as we show you the latest and greatest winter gadgets of 2023. The links to buy these cool products are given in the description below. Heating Pad Wrap. With its long, slender shape, the FlexFit Sunbeam Heating Pad comfortably wraps around numerous body parts, including the arm, elbow, wrist, ankle, and lower leg, to provide targeted pain treatment. With elastic ends that cinch tightly to the pad for a snug fit and hands-free use, the flexible heated wrap maintains its position. Heat has been scientifically shown to reduce pain brought on by stress and tension in the muscles. It also speeds up the healing process by increasing blood flow to the area of discomfort. The entire pad can be washed in a machine. Simply unplug the pad's cord and put it in the washing machine. Heated Blanket. You may sometimes feel that your blanket is not enough to prevent you from cold weather. So must check this heated blanket that will leave no room for cold. It is 100% polyester. It's easy to use with digital controller with 12 heat settings and 12-hour selectable auto shut-off function for peace of mind. It is soft and cozy royal luxe for ideal warmth and comfort in elegant red Cabernet color. It is machine washable and dryer safe for easy. Radiator Heater. It is up to 300 square feet. Your home will remain warm and comfortable without drying out the air thanks to the 1500W high power, spindle-shaped apertures, and M-shaped heating fins that produce stack effect and enable 360 degrees efficient circulation of hot air in spaces up to 300 square feet. Your greatest option in the winter is a Trio Oil Radiator Warmer. The Trio Oil Radiator Heater's spindle-shaped holes, 225 millimeters larger than other enlarged fins, and dual U-shaped heating tubes make it so efficient at dispersing heat that it may be swiftly, uniformly, and effectively released to a sizable region or the entire room. The wraparound heating fins design keeps the heating source and fins from being exposed to direct sunlight, reducing the danger of burns. Additionally, the exteriors have been specifically treated to be 30% less hot to the touch than most oil heaters, only reaching 80 degrees Celsius at maximum while in operation. With the provided remote, you can operate this oil-filled radiator heater's mute, timer, and other features from a distance of 19 feet. This large fellow is easy to move thanks to universal wheels. Opening the bottom brackets and inserting the wheels directly makes assembly quite simple. Electric Hot Water Pot. There are 3 dispense buttons on the hot water pot for quick, convenient hot water. Use the manual push pump, the auto dispense is on the control panel, or the one-handed dispense button underneath the nozzle to quickly dispense liquid into cups or bottles. Easy access with a 360 degrees turn base. You won't have to wait for the kettle to boil since the 700-watt insulated pot keeps the water heated all day. The exterior and interior are made of stainless steel for long-lasting performance. This hot water urn is ideal for entertaining and parties because it has a 5.3-liter capacity and 30 plus 5.7 ounces cup hot water capacity. Easy-to-view water level gauge that allows you to know how much water you are adding to the pot and when it drops below the minimum line. Convenient carry handle lets you bring this water dispenser with you easily. Smokeless Fire Pit. Enjoy a clean and smokeless fire in your backyard, on a beach or lake, during tailgates, when camping, and more. Forget about dirty ashes and pricey firewood. With a heat output of 58,000 BTUs and a 10-foot hose and regulator included, this portable fire pit bowl measures 24 inches. It can be quickly connected to a regular barbecue propane tank. Convenient and easy to set up and travel, simple installation, no tools needed, comes with UV and weather-resistant cover, fabric strap handle for easy and comfortable transport, and propane tank stabilizer ring to prevent the tank from falling while the fire bowl is in use. Self-igniting, auto-ignition, this fire pit comes with a self-igniting piezo system, so there's no need to buy a lighter. Hit like and subscribe Tech Ideas Factory. Thank you for watching.